discuss about singular and plural nouns. So you know what are singular nouns. When we use the nouns that are used to refer to one person, one place, one animal or one thing, that are called singular nouns, and those nouns which are used to refer to more than one person, place, animals or things, that are called plural nouns. So how you will change singular nouns to plural nouns and how we will change plural nouns to singular nouns, all those rules I'll tell you today, which you have to listen very carefully and then you have to read at home this chapter. Okay, you have to read this topic and you have to understand it and also learn all the rules. Okay, so like some the mostly you see singular nouns, like you say boy, girl, cat, lion. These are all singular nouns which refer to one person, boy, one place. Okay, if it is city, it is one place. If it is town, it is one place.
मैम
Country,
जी
it is
मुझे
one
नाम क्या
country.
होता है?
Okay, singular means one, single. Okay, which are used to refer to one person, one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Okay, that are called singular
मैम
nouns.
रेफर
So आप
किससे होता है रेफर?
in Hindi you also read that ekvachan, bahuvachan. That is in English we call that singular and plural nouns. तो ekvachan और बहुवचन हम पढ़ते हैं. Okay. So singular nouns which you read in Hindi and also ekvachan, bahuvachan, okay, that are called in English we call them ekvachan means singular noun and bahuvachan that is plural nouns. So singular nouns which refer to one person, place, animal or thing, like one person you can tell boy, one place you can tell city, one place, one animal you can tell a cow, one thing that is pen, pencil, okay. So one person, so for that are called singular nouns. And now plural nouns, which means more than one person, one place, one thing. Okay, like animal also, more than one animal also. So like if it is more than one person, we say one boy. But when it is more than one boy, we say boys. More than one girl, we say
मैम योर
girls.
वॉइस इज
Okay,
नॉट कमिंग.
person. So when more than one place we talk city, one is called city. If it is more than one, two means we call it cities. If it is two town, then we call it towns, not town. Okay, one town and two towns. One country, two countries, and things also in the same way. If it is one pen,
मैम
two
योर वॉइस
pens.
इज नॉट कमिंग.
Yes. So plural nouns means it is when we use it for more than one person, place, animal or thing. If it is one cow, we say cow. If it is more than one, two, we say two cows, two cats, two lions. Okay. So these all we will learn. So there are some rules in English grammar how to make a singular noun plural. Okay. If it is one, how you will make it more than one. So there are many rules, so listen to all the rules very carefully. You have to listen and keep this all the rules in your mind. Okay. So mostly you see we make the plurals of the singular nouns by adding s. Simply s laga ke we can make plural mostly, but not always. Okay. Most of the nouns we can make plural like boy, boys, girl, girls, book, books, bag, bags. Okay, pencil, pencil. So most of the nouns we can make them plural by adding s, but not always. Now think that if the noun is already ending in s, अगर already उसके पीछे s लगा हुआ है like bus, okay, then how you will make? You will add another s? No, you don't have to add another s. If already the noun is ending in s, so you have to add es to the noun to make it plural. You will not add simply bus. You have to add es, buses, bus, es. So these are some of the rules which you have to remember. The first rule you see, if the noun that ends with already s, okay, or x like box, fox, so you have to use es at the end of those nouns which end with s, x, o, sh or ch. Okay, and also z also. Okay, so we use es. Okay, इनके end में if the noun is ending in already s से end होता है, x
गुड
से
आफ्टरनून मैम.
o like mango or tomato, potato. If it is ending in sh,
गुड
okay,
आफ्टरनून मैम.
like brush, okay, or if it is ending in ch like bench. So to these all the nouns you will add es to make it plural. So remember these rules, these five words, you have to remember these five words, okay. If the singular noun is ending in already s,
Good afternoon,
x,
ma'am.
o, sh or ch, you have to add es to make it plural. But there are some exceptions again. Some words are there to which you need not change, although it is ending in o, but you don't have to use es, like photo, radio, piano, okay, these words are there to which we do not, अगर o है last में तो भी exceptions, some word bunch गुच्छा. So some words are there exceptional which you need not change, you have to only add s, okay. You have to remember all these words like radio, photo, piano. So you have to add only s, do not add es to these words. Now for
Ma'am,
y, for the nouns which end in, you see the nouns which are ending, ये five endings you have to remember, okay. S,
voice is not clear.
X, O, SH और CH. अगर इनसे एंड हो रहा है सिंगुलर नाउन तो यू हैव टू ऐड es, ओके. रिमेंबर दिस फाइव एंडिंग्स, आपको एंडिंग देखना है नाउन का. इफ इट इज ऑलरेडी s उसके पीछे लगा हुआ लाइक bus बस, so you will not add again s, you have to add es. If it is ending in x like box box, so you have to add es boxes. If it is ending in o potato, so you have to add es potatoes. If it is ending in sh brush, so you have to add es brushes. If it is ending in ch bench, you have to add es, okay. So these endings you have to remember s, x, o, sh and ch. अगर इनसे एंड हो रहा है तो you have to add es to make it plural. But some exceptions are there like photo, radio, piano. You do not have to add es, नहीं लगाते इनके पीछे, although they end in o, you have to add only s to these words. Now the next rule, second one, important rule, if the noun is ending in y, अगर वो noun is ending in y like boy, okay, city, country, body, fly, monkey. So if it is ending in y तो क्या करना है आपको, y से पहले जो letter है you have to see what is coming before the y. If it is a vowel or a consonant, so there are different rules for vowel. अगर है तो आप खाली s लगाएंगे. If it is vowel plus y, like monkey, monkey में क्या है e y आता है end में. So you know vowels a e I o u are vowels. अगर vowel के साथ y आता है, so you don't have to change anything, you have to simply add s, okay. Boy है तो only boy s लगाना है because it is ending in oy and o is a vowel, so it is vowel plus y. Day, day, so it is a, again vowel, vowel plus y है तो only s लगाना है. But if the noun is ending in consonant plus y, consonants मतलब कि बाकी सारे ये 5 vowels को छोड़ के a e I o u, अदर सारे जो 21 अल्फाबेट्स है इंग्लिश में, they are called consonants. So अगर the noun, if the noun is ending in consonant plus y, like you can see in the example body, body, so d is a consonant, okay. So if it is ending in consonant plus y तो क्या करना है आपको, y को चेंज कर देना है I में. You have to change the y to I and then add es, bodies, duty, ऐसे you have to ty, so t is a vowel. So if it is ending in vowel plus y, you have to change the y to I and then add es, okay. Like city, CITY. So you have to change the Y to I. CITIES. Okay, change the Y to I and then add ES. Okay, so this is the rules you have to remember. You always see the ending whenever you get in the exam. कि change this singular noun to plural nouns, you have to see the ending. If it is ending in S, O, X, SH or CH, you have to add ES. If it is ending in vowel plus Y, you have to add S. If it is ending in consonant plus Y, you have to change the Y to I and then add ES. Now there are again some more rules. If the noun ends in F or FE, okay, so we have to make the plural. How you will make the plural? You have to change, okay, this F or FE into VES, okay. F or FE को हटा देना है and then you have to use their V and then ES. Change the F or FE to V and then add ES. Like examples are given, you can see shell. So you have to change the F to V and then add ES. Okay, shelves. And pronunciation will be done shelves. Knife. It is ending in FE. So you have to remove FE को हटा देना है और V लगा देना उसकी जगह. And then you have to add ES. Okay. So in this way you have to change if the noun is ending in F or FE, like wife. So wives. You have to remove FE and add VES, wives. But again there is some exception like dwarf. Okay, it is also ending in F. But you don't have to change the F to V. You have to just simply add S. Okay, some exceptions are there. Now there are some nouns which never change. उनका singular and plural. Yes. So then some nouns are there which we do not change. Singular and plural दोनों same होते हैं. Both they are same for singular and plural, like deer, sheep. They do not change. Okay, they are the same for singular also and plural also. अगर one है तो we call deer. If it is more than one also deer. Similarly for sheep also, fish also, it is the same. Okay, for one also we tell deer, for one also we tell sheep, and if it's more than one also it will be deer and sheep only. We do not change. There is no change. Like here you can see example of as given. Singular noun when we use, the deer is looking for some water to drink. So here we are referring it one deer. But when it's more than one, the deer are grazing in the forest. So we do not add anything. We do not change the spelling. Okay. It will be the same. So remember these some words are there which we do not change. Like here sheep. Rose's sheep is following her around the lawn. Arun saw many cows and sheep at the farm. So here for both. Aircraft also it is the same. We do not change. It will be the same. The aircraft was flying very high. The airline has added 5 new aircraft to its fleet. So we do not add as aircrafts नहीं लगाना है. It will be same aircraft only. Then some nouns are there
Why?
which we have to make them plural. We need to change the whole spelling. पूरी spelling change करनी होती है हमें कुछ nouns की. Like child, so complete spelling changes. So children, tooth, teeth. You see especially जिनके बीच में double o आता है ना, the double o, so that changes to double e. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Okay, woman, women, ox, oxen. So in this way, some nouns are there where we have to change the complete spelling. Okay. And some compound nouns are there. Compound nouns क्या होते हैं बेटा? Compound nouns which are made up of more than one word. Okay, which are made up of more than one word, उनको compound nouns बोलते हैं. Like here daughter in law, hyphen होता है इनके बीच में. So in your book hyphenated compound nouns are given. Daughter in law, commander in chief, stepson. So these are some compound nouns like ice cream. Okay, ice cream is also a compound noun. It is made up of two words but it means one. Okay, इसका meaning अलग होता है. Daughter in law. Okay, these are made up of three words. Daughter in law. So here daughter we can change. Okay, how you will make it? Daughter one, if it is one daughter, and if it is more than one, daughters in law. Commander in chief, and for more than one, commanders in chief. So the plural of some compound nouns are formed by adding s to the
मैम
principal
प्योर
word.
ने प्रेजेंटिंग कर दी।
Principal word means जो main word which you can change. Okay, which you can change from singular to plural. Law you cannot change to laws. It will be same. Okay. So daughter, daughters-in-law, commander, commanders-in-chief, stepson. So stepsons.
मैम
Okay. Who is this by the name of Satyanarayan Kaushik? Beta mute your mic. Satyanarayan Kaushik. I will remove you from the class beta if you are not muting your mute करो अपने आप को सत्यनारायण कौशिक
किसी का माइक ऑन है। मैम आज शर्मा ने प्रेजेंटिंग कर दी। नो मैम मैम स्टॉप कर दी।
why did you start in
मैम
between
लैपटॉप दिख रही है। मैम आपकी प्रेजेंटिंग नहीं हो रही।
हाँ someone started no in between
मैम
again
हो रही है। मैम हो रही है। यस मैम हो रही है आपकी प्रेजेंटिंग। मैम दिख रही है। हो रही
बेटा
है।
जिन्होंने
मैम नहीं हो रही।
बेटा
मैम
जिन्होंने
नहीं हो
पिन
रही। मैम हो
जिन्होंने
रही है।
पिन बेटा म्यूट योरसेल्फ नाउ
नहीं हो रही। मैम हो रही है। मैम हो रही है। मैम हो रही है।
ओके म्यूट करो अपने आप को
मैम
सब
हो रही है।
म्यूट योरसेल्फ नाउ
ओके मैम। मैम हो रही है।
ओके सो नाउ देर आर सम नाउन्स which appear जो लगते हैं कि plural है okay they are ending in s because like physics electronics mathematics news so some subjects are there physics electronics mathematics but they are not actually plural they are singular okay they are not plural they are actually singular okay Yes. So the word news, it is ending in S, but actually it is not a plural noun, it is a singular noun only. Some diseases are there, mumps, measles, rickets, these are names of diseases. They end in S, but they are actually singular and games are there, billiards, draughts, they are all singular nouns actually. And some nouns are used only in plural although they are ending in s but because it is a pair होता है जैसे सीजर होते हैं उसके दो होते हैं पार्ट सीजर्स के दो होते हैं सो वी डू नॉट टेल सीजर जो ऐसा वर्ड डिक्शनरी में होता ही नहीं है सीजर्स एस लगा के ही वेन एवर यू स्पीक नेवर स्पीक सीजर दैट इज रॉन्ग सीजर्स ओके देन टोंग्स ओके टोंग्स ऑल्सो जो पकड़ने के लिए होते हैं बेटा जब आप कहीं जाते हो खाने के लिए तो टोंग्स यूज करते हैं चिमटे जैसा होता है वो उससे हम उठाते हैं जब कोई शादी वगैरह में जाते हैं तो दे आर यूज फॉर पिकिंग तो दैट आर कॉल्ड टोंग्स तो उसमें भी दो होते हैं तो इसी टू पार्ट्स होते हैं इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विथ टू पार्ट्स दैट फॉर्म अ पेयर जो पेयर बनाते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड that are all plural they are all used only in plural okay like scissors tongs spectacles चश्मे के भी दो parts होते हैं then some cloth जो कपड़े पहनते हैं आप pants पहनते हैं okay trousers shorts jeans okay yes. so
मैम
yes,
आपने दोबारा
trousers
रिज्यूम कर दे।
shorts
मैम कोई जानबूझ के बार बार
jeans
प्रेजेंटिंग करने
okay
लग जाता है। हम किसी ने प्रेजेंटिंग कर दी लिखा मैं
not again add anything it is already plural only so syllabus for all the classes and the details of the programs that will be held in this year then mother tells is there any information about tours and picnics to other state cities okay then Mita tells this year the school is planning outstation trips to various historical monuments and museums for the seniors. The junior school students who enjoy watching animals will visit the sanctuaries. Sanctuaries मतलब जहाँ पे कि birds, animals रखे जाते हैं. Okay, they are called sanctuaries. So they will visit the sanctuaries and national parks in our state. The mother says, I have heard that your school now has two new libraries. Do they have a large variety of storybooks and encyclopedias? Encyclopedia, it is a book in which you will find a lot of information. Okay. Then Meeta says, yes, one is for the senior school students and the other is for the juniors. Mother, are most of your teachers men? Then Meeta says, no, we have quite a few female teachers, though most of the heads of departments are men. I would like to meet your teachers. Can you check and let me know the timings for parents? Then Meeta says it's given on these pages under the heading Rules and Regulations. Mother says, oh good, I'll be there at 11 a.m. next Wednesday. Okay, I wanted to do